Hey yo, what's going on guys? Welcome back to another car parking multiplayer, another update, which is this update just like this update just came out last night. It's a version 4.8.12.6. The old version of it is 4.8.12.2, but now we are 4.8.12.6, which is the same. We have general optimization, save progress notification added, props render distance slide added, car color reset button added, FPS rate feature upgraded, added ground shadow on car, spam filter added, new car, new clothes, new rims, okay. The fix are this world sale optimization, daily task bug fixes, police lights item purchase missing fixed, body kits left main on main menu bug fixed, invisible broken cars bug in main menu fixed, loading loading stops on saving cars bug fix, game stuck on loading bug fix, gift cards not saving modification bug fixed, shop window purchase bug fix. If you want to inform your friends about this update, just screenshot it. And if you tap here at the top one, you can see that we can see the feature added in the old version, which is the 4.8.9.4.4, which is this one, which is they add the Eclipse and the Impala in the game. And over here, this update they add the Astro van, the Mazda Miata, and the Porsche GT3 RS. And this is what we got, the 4.8.12, which is they add the Ford Raptor of it. And as I promised you guys, I want you to hear the sound of the Ford. But before we start it, let's jump into the intro. Let's go. I can say what? Yeah, yeah, yeah. And here we are, back again. And we have this Ford Raptor over here. Yep. And in the old update, we can design the back, because the back of this one have like a cover of black. Now we can design it with our own design. Now it's a Ford F-150, the 2023 model of the Ford F-150, which is the new one. And yes, it is a police car, guys. I just equipped some police lights on my alt account, and we have like a T rims or something, dip dish T rims over here. Off-road tires for this design. We have a move bar. We have a FOS light. And oh my god, why is my character a freaking girl? Okay. And I'm gonna change to male over here. Yeah, this a cop officer. Okay. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna check out the top speed. I mean the sound at the top speed of the Ford F-150 2023 model. So without further ado, let's start it. And I love the FPS, like they improved the game though. I forgot to mention this in the last video, guys. They add this one over here. In the graphics, this prop distance, look at that. You can see it, right? If you max the render distance and if you zero the prop distance, it will be like that. But if you max the prop distance like that, you can see even you're far away from the place though, you can see it like that. Very cool. If you go in this bridge over here, my frame is dropping now. Frick. Okay. There. See that? You can see the street lights and the top. Oh my god. The top of that thing. Yeah. This prop distance will help me to navigate all of the all in one in the freaking room. So yeah, that's it, guys. We're gonna the sound of this Ford F-150 2023 model. Okay, so I'm position it right here, and I'm gonna lower my render distance because I'm dropping frames. Ambient volume, yeah, of course. Why is it familiar with that thing. So I'm gonna max out the volume, guys. For the headset users there, you can lower your headset because this thing is freaking loud. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. That's the sound, guys. And we did some like 9 seconds. Of course. We did a 9 seconds there, guys. 9 seconds of this Ford Raptor because it's a stock gearbox. A stock gearbox, one W16 engine, Ford Raptor. And yes, I love this one because if you check out the details of the interior, alright, let me check it through, guys. Here, look at the interior, man. I'm gonna like on the freaking show mirrors. Yeah, I love this one because you can saw the mirror at the back of the car and over here. Because in the old update, I mean in the other cars, this over here, this mirror over here, doesn't any like details of it. But this thing, this new Ford Raptor, have details of it. Just look at this, man. Look at this. This is carbon fiber. I didn't notice this thing. Carbon fiber interior of the Ford Raptor. You can see over here too a start-stop engine. What is this? Oh, drive mode. Oh, it can be convertible to all-wheel drive and rear-wheel drive. You can see over here too all of the buttons. We have set, minus, volume up, volume down. We have back, we have menu, we have menu. What's the menu mean? Okay, so we have a screen over here too. It says here driver assistance, zone lighting, towing. There's towing now. Owner's manual. What is this? Oh, it's a map. Broadway Center. S. Robinson. Oh, Robson. It's a navigation. It's 3:46 p.m. Let's see here. Oh, it's 10:01 a.m. The clock here is kind of a bit like cracked up. We have so many things here, but this carbon fiber. Look at this. Damn. Carbon fiber, dude. Oh, we have other here. Is this carbon fiber? Yes, it is carbon fiber. What the hell? The seat looks cool though. And oh, the seat belts here. Okay, let's check out the interior more, man. The interior is sick. Okay, what is this? No carbon over here. Okay, what's that? What green? Oh, it's a money in the burger. In the burger business. Okay, just ignore my bald character there. Oh, we have lights over here with some buttons up here. What is it? Oh, it's a auxiliary. We have a aux 1 to 6. Interior looks sick though. Interior looks sick. Oh, let's try a brand though. Let's try a brand. Okay. Oh my god. Frick. Detail. Oh my god, I crashed. It counts on how the RPM, I guess. Yeah. And let's check out the exterior design of the car. This one have body kits though. Yes, it's like let's get into the menu, man. Let's get into the menu, shall we? We gotta check out here the body kits here. Okay, here we are. So we have this body kits over here. We have the front bumper. So this is a stock front bumper, stock looking. The second one. Third one, fourth one. And the last one, the fifth one. This one have 5 body kits all in one. And on the rear bumper, we have this one. We have this number 2, number 3, number 4, and number 5. And the skirt thing, I choose a stock one. And we have this one here. Just have a fender addition. In the skirt though, we have only 4 body kits. And in the hood, we have only 3 body kits. But in the both front and rear bumper, we have 5 body kits. So, this is the third one over here, and the fourth one. The fourth one is gonna look like a stock one, right? But without a light. You can see the difference there. And in the hood, we have this first one, second one, and third one. Third one looks sick though. Look at that face of the Maverick Ford there. And we have some additional kits over here at the back. So we have this one, covered layer of the back of the pickup, and we have this light which is you can change colors to. Look at that. It only costs 130 coins, but I ain't gonna buy it. I'm not wasting coins. We have the second body kits over here. Second body kit will like have extra wheel at the back, and the lights that are customizable colors over here. Yes, this is what I love, man. You can change it to yellow, white, or whatever you want to the color of this. You can change it. It's on your own. And we have this third one, which is pretty normal, but have a light customization too. Just like that. And forgot to mention this one over here. The wheels though. I think I just but let me know is this wheel guys over here, because the lug, look at that lug, man. That lug is popping out of the wheel of the car. Yeah. And before we end off our video, let's test out the suspension of this one, because the suspension is the very important of the off-road cars. Of course, all-wheel drive. Not to mention that all-wheel drive Ford Raptor. So, we have over here. Let's use the staircase as the suspension test. So it's over here. You can see at the physics there of the car. Look at this. This is upwards. I'm gonna use the dynamic cam for a reason, right? Okay, here we go. Oh, look at that bounce. See that bounce, guys? See that? See? That is so sick. I'm gonna go back. Damn. This bounciness is so real. Sheesh. Oh my god, it fell down. Okay. There we go. Launch test. Okay, pretty cool. Now I want to brake test. Pretty cool, man. I love this Ford Raptor, guys. And I'm planning to give some giveaway of Ford Raptor, because if I'm online, you can add my ID. Here's my ID if you want to screenshot it. It's ID XE527016. That's my ID, guys. If you see me in room, don't hesitate to ask for a car, because I'm gonna give you guys a Ford Raptor. I'm gonna use my another account for that, because my other account have a lot of coins there. So yeah, I think I'm gonna wrap up this episode, guys, in this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you do, make sure you like, make sure you subscribe, and as always, guys, stay safe, stay at home. Peace out. Bye.